Oh, he wildin'. Oh, double Dutch? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another banger for y'all, man. Shout out to y'all for clicking on this video. Y'all read the title, y'all see the thumbnail, you know exactly why you're here. We got a real quick video for y'all, man. Me and my cousin, we about to go crazy in the snow. I actually got to do a little other driving around real quick. I got to go pick up some mail. Very important package came in. I want to start the video off actually by saying that very important package came in, sponsor basically, and I'm gonna get into another video, but I'm going to pick up that package now. My cousin behind me in his SRT Durango, big 392, and we about to spin in the, well, as y'all can see, it just snowed like a whole lot for real. So it just snowed. So we about to go, basically about to go find a parking lot and just, you know, have some fun, you feel me? So before I get into this video, make sure y'all go down, get this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post. I know y'all can't even see me right now for real, but do all of that stuff and let's get into this video. Oh shit, yo, he good? Yo. Yo, niggas is crashing? Hold up.
Yo, what the fuck is going on? Yo, oh shit, wait. Yo, where you at?
I'm behind you.
Yo, I'm going around this nigga. Yo, move, bro. Yo, where are you going?
Yo, come on, Chot. Where you going? Oh, you taking
straight, bro, niggas is fucked up over there, bro. I don't want to be caught. I don't want to be a part of the investigation.
Yo, niggas over there macked up. Bro, we would have been valid, bro. Bro, we would have been valid. Alright.
The first one they asked, and I would have told them.
Alright, man. Alright. Yo, niggas just crashed on the highway, man. What the hell? Yo, that's nuts. That's nuts.
Bro, but that's because people on the drive. You know, when you change lanes, you're supposed to let that shit glide over. And you're not supposed to turn the wheel. Niggas don't know that, bro.
Niggas don't know that.
Turning their wheel.
Niggas be pressing the gas. Niggas be pressing the gas and they don't even know that shit make them slide more. Like,
slide more. Then they be trying to brake. Oh my goodness.
Look, this nigga cutting niggas off.
Goodness.
Yo, what's up?
Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. Yo, I'm gonna start throwing head niggas with snowballs, bro.
How you gonna? Hold up. Take the snow off the car. Alright.
Smoking. Boom. Yo, roll your window down, bro.
Hold up.
Yo, let me talk to you. Boom.
But alright, y'all. I'm about to tune back in with y'all after I pick up this package and we get to the lot. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Y'all can see I just turn this Future down. Future just dropped, man. But I just did my little shit, little song, a little warm up. Come on. That's right. Keep playing. Oh shit, how did he recorded me? Chop got the good cuz. You ready?
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go crazy.
Damn, you missed. Hold up. Make sure your shit is nah, put it auto. So turn traction control, right? Put it all the way off. So hold it. The one that's over here. Alright, so you see it's all, press it and hold it for like 10 seconds. Okay. Alright.
What's that?
So look.
I didn't even know about that. What's that?
Now.
Bro, come on, bro. I knew about that shit. I was just playing. I knew about that shit. Nigga.
So I say, you want me to be inside with you while you first? Nah? Alright, so drop it in manual, I guess. I'm gonna move my truck over a little bit and then that's what I would do. That's how I spin. I put it in manual, first gear, and then I switch it to second gear sometimes. Second gear, you're gonna go like super wide. First gear, you're gonna be like tight circles. Alright. Let me move my shit. This is nigga first time sliding. We about to see what he do. Oh. Oh, he going crazy. Oh, he going crazy. Oh, he going crazy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Control it, though. You feel me? You got it. Don't hold on. Don't. You feel me? Just keep tapping. Keep tapping.
Yo, I had mad snow in here. That shit was fire. Yo, it's mad snow in here. Yo, that shit was crazy, yo.
This shit like heat. Hold on, let me take a flick of your shit right here. But alright, go ahead. But throttle it. Yeah, you good. Just throttle it though, cause you don't wanna redline your shit and keep pressing on it, cause you're just gonna keep sliding out further. You throttle it, you'll be able to control your turn. Even though you all wheel, you should hook a little more, but just throttle it. Put it in first, like how I said, and just throttle it. So let me record this shit on the phone so you get some reels going. Yeah. There we go. Throttle that bitch. Spare, keep going. Oh, he wildin'. Oh, he wildin'. You gotta control that bitch. Yeah. Top twin. It's tough, you ready? Yo, that bitch was fire!
GTA, nigga. I real life.
He wildin'. Oh! Hey man, how y'all think Chop did? That nigga's, for his first time, I ain't gonna lie. Well, first time I seen. For his first time, this motherfucker, he's swinging that bitch. I ain't gonna cap to you, but I'm about to move my shit right now. Shit, my shit like all up in the fucking, in this shit, but. Yo.
got all that shit too.
I almost went crazy. You see me slide over there, almost hit that damn tree on that side. Nah, this shit was just OD, no lie. Damn. Look at this shit. Nah, I'm just talking about the truck. This shit look crazy.
What's doing dumb, nigga?
It's like the front clean, the sides is all snowy. This shit look nutty. That shit look crazy. Alright, y'all. We out, y'all. We done did enough damage in this lot. I don't know if we going to another one. Oh, he wildin'. Oh, double dutch? I know Zay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Try it again. Oh, he wildin'. Go ahead. Yeah, we out. Oh, that nigga hit the curb. No, right, left. Yo, we out this way. Hold on, child. I can't even see. Yo, we out to Five Guys. Oh. But yeah, we out to Five Guys. I'm about to call.
That time I was tight. Bro, I almost did the whole pole. I got nervous though towards the end. I was like,
It's alright, you gotta just start getting that shit. It ain't good snow for snowboard. Yo, hit that U and we out. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all when we go pick up this food, man. We out here now. Big toys out here, you heard? Got the feds over here. You bugging. Got the federales over here.
got that halftime correct score, bro. You want to try the Applebee's group?
Applebee's closed down. About to get this good Five Guys, man. Good burgers, good eats. Alright, I'm gonna come back with y'all when we get our food. Alright, y'all can see, got the bag secured. Five Guys, got my milkshake. Shit busting, got my girl milkshake here. And I'm about to cut the video here, y'all. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in. I really appreciate every single last one of y'all. This video is like real short notice, so cousin didn't have power, and it's a 8 to 10 inch snowstorm at the end of March, which is crazy. So we just try to have a little fun today. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate all y'all. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post. And I'm gonna see you guys next video. Peace.